Smart way of locking your device. Search for an app called Macrodroid. Just install and open it. Now tap on Add Macros. Search for Proximity. And select Fast Wave and tap OK. Under Actions, search for Screen On Off. You will be pop up with the device administrator. Just activate it and press back button and select Screen Off and press OK. Under Constraints, search for the same Screen On and Off. Select Screen On and OK. Now just tap the tick mark button below and save it by your own name you want. You can see your own created macro in Macro option. Already created macros you can find on templates option. You can see local, top rated and latest. You can browse through various different types of macros. So that's all for this video. If you like my trick, then a like will be appreciated, and I will see you in the next one.